Good evening, welcome to a moonlit night. Half moon, overcast, bit hazy. The camera doesn't pick it up at all. It is pitch black outside, but we can still make out what's going on with our eyes. But when you're looking underneath the bonnet of a 30-year-old Land Rover, you might need a little bit of help. Well guys, here we have the Letour Rechargeable Camping Lantern, and according to the product specs it's 5000 lumens. It's got a 3.7 volt wattage. It's made of PVC and aluminum. The size is about 12 centimeter diameter, and it's about 15 centimeters, 20 centimeters long. What's really good is it weighs nothing. You've got three ways to illuminate it: quite bright, medium, and quite dim, which is quite nice. This is quite nice as well. You've also got another function, strobe, so you can start your little disco, or if you need help, who knows, you can have the SOS function as well, which most lights have these days. It seems to be waterproof except for the USB 5 volt inlet here. There's your little power switch. The best part of this is that hook. Especially if you have a Land Rover, you can hang it off any part of the car. We try to run it for about 2 days straight, on and off, different power settings. Very bright, obviously uses a lot more power compared to the dim ones. It does last very long. Then I recharged it. There's a little red light there when you plug it in. And yeah, that light didn't go off, so I'm not sure how long it really takes to recharge. I think it's about 2 hours. Battery capacity officially is 8,800 milliamp hours, which translates to about 6 hours at high brightness, 20 hours at low brightness, according to the manual. So anyway, this is all there is in the box. You do get a little charging cable as well, which is quite cool. Everything's the USB-C these days, which is very handy. And yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. I like the fact that you can dim it nicely, and it gives a nice overall light. You can hang it on the top of your tent, hang it anywhere you like. Gives you a nice cooking light, all of that stuff. And yeah, Letour, thanks for sending us this one to have a quick look at. Yeah, basic light, very functional. And yeah, I'm quite happy. It's very light, and I think it's going to hold up pretty well. So there you go. Hope this was informative. Hope this helps you make your decision if needed. If you are off-grid camping, doing something like that, check this one out. Very cool. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Keep rolling. Cheers.